Hi Leo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August the 29th to August the 31st reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. So kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Alright? So Leo, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So magsimula na tayo. So Leo, parang kahit na merong separations, no? Kahit na merong hindi magandang nangyayari sa inyo ng iyong person, whether or not you are in a relationship na hinto in separation, no? Parang sinasabi mo na walang ibang nagpatibok ng puso ko ng ganito kung hindi ikaw lang, no? Kasi chances are ang nakikita ko dito parang sinabi mo na sa sarili mo na mag-stick lang ako dito sa taong ito, and kung hindi kami magkakatuluyan siguro hindi na lang, wag na lang, no? Hindi na ako magmamahal pa uli. So parang you are actually devoting yourself to this person fully, no? Although kahit meron separation dito sa relationship, pero alam mo maaayos ito. Pero lately parang eto na yata ang pinakamasakit, pinaka matagal na separations ninyo or pinakamalalang away, no? So parang pwedeng ikaw ito, pwedeng ito yung person mo. No, you can switch the energies, by the way. What I am reading here is the dynamic. So parang ang sinasabi dito, kailangan ko lang huminga ng kaunti. Pero alam ko, no, na kung hindi siya ang magre-reach out, ako na lang, no? So parang ibinababa yung pride, but that's okay, no? Sabi nga dun sa 1 Corinthians, I don't know the entire verse, pero love is not boastful, not pride. Love keeps no records of wrongs, 'di ba? Yung ganyan. The full card, the Queen of Wands. So parang um either may takot, no? Takot of the unknown. We are actually afraid of tayo mauna na makipag-usap, makipagkasundo, baka kasi um, mapahiya tayo, no? Whether or not tayo yung may mali or hindi, mas masakit yung kung tayo yung walang ginawang masama, tapos tayo pa yung na-reject. Aba naman, baka makita nyo ang pagwawala ni Leo, no? Huwag naman ganon. So, no, si Leo na nga ang gustong mag-approach. Kaso, natatakot kasi baka lalong gumulo. So, Knight of Cups and the Death card. So, nakikita mo, no, it doesn't matter how long the separation is. Pero nakikita ko dito, meron talaga siyang either there's something about the number 3. It could be in 3 weeks time or the 3 months time, not of kailan nyo narinig ito, but kailan yung separations, no? I think that there will be um like reconciliation that's gonna happen with the Temperance. And I feel like as a person naman, so much better na manahimik na lang tayo, no? Leo, antayin na lang natin. But again, that's just my 2 cents. Magpapakita naman to. Pero if you want to um, shorten the period of your agony, then might as well do what you want to do. No, buhay mo naman yan. With the 9 of swords, yun lang. So may attempt, but I feel like someone here is not fully healed, or someone here probably, no, with the 9 of swords, medyo the 8 of wands, the 7 of swords, parang napansin lang or mapapansin, no, na kaya ka lang naman lumapit sa akin, no? kasi gusto mo lang talagang makipag-ayos pero wala naman dun yung sense of um, yung apology, 'no? Para kasing nag-sorry ka kasi kailangan mag-sorry, pero wala naman dun sa action. So, tulad nga ng sabi nila, apologies without changes is actually manipulation. So, Leo, I know that you are very intelligent and wise enough to understand. But it felt like to me, siguro the two cents here is prior accepting the person back. You must have a clear conversation with this person, what this person wants, um, what this person sort of plans, no, in the future. With the eight eight of swords, the hierophant, the three of cups, and the four of swords. So I feel like meron pang parang second wave ng challenges, no? Kasi ang nakikita ko dito, yung totoong apology is going to happen right after this, no? I'm not saying that you shouldn't forgive the person, but what you should do here is to have a clear conversation again with your person, what they do want in this connection, and probably have a one-on-one or let's say an agreement, no? Yun kasi ang needed. This shouldn't be one-sided, no? Just because I forgive you doesn't mean that you are allowed to do the same mistake, no? I feel like siguro kailangan din bawas-bawasan ang paglalabas nito ni person, no? And manahimik, no, sa bahay. I think that's one of yun yung pinag-aawayan. It felt like kasi siguro akala ni Leo or talaga napapansin ni Leo na mas importante ang ibang tao, no? With the Nine of Wands and the Magician. So, I think that the second apology, no, this first one might be a little, 50-50, but this second apology is going to be the um awakening of your person, and this might change the course, no, of your relationship with them. So let's check the emotion. Will you help me and I'm yours forever? So I feel like itong relationship na ito, nando naman yung security, no? But it also feels like to me na kailangan lang, no, na ipakita nito ni person na dapat yung security hindi lang siya basta sinasabi, iparamdam. I think that's the right word. Iparamdam mo sa akin na that you are worthy of my trust, no? Because I am trying my best, sabi nga ni Leo, no, to trust you, no? But I don't know if I can trust the people around you, so much better for you to at least lessen itong paglabas-labas, no? Or pakikipag-usap kung kani-kanino because I am not trusting, the world, the people around you. So, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sunshine or a placement in their chart. So, I'm seeing Scorpio, um, Sagittarius, Pisces, Aries, Leo, baka kapwa Leo ito, no? Um, Cancer, Virgo. Yan. So this is your reading. Leo, again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And Kung hindi niyo po maabutan itong live sessions, pwede naman kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Kilalang kilala niyo po yung sarili ninyo, Leo. Kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating description box, no? Sa description box po na yon, nandun po yung link ng aking website. So once you click it, you're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, the name, the number, QR code for your reference. I just want to point out something. Nandun po yung number na yun for transaction purposes. Please po, wag po kayong tumawag, no? Kaya po din nandun yung question form, nandun po yung ibang modes of communication like email, no? Like yung inboxes, messengers, dun po muna kayo mag-reach out, wag po kayo agad tatawag. Kasi po unang-una, that's etiquette, no? Kung hindi naman po tayo magkakilala in person, no? Might as well, mano bang mag-text muna kayo, okay lang po bang tumawag? Pangalawa po kasi iba po yung aking body clock. So, baka nagpapahinga po tayo, no, ng mga time na yon. Pangatlo, baka makakaistorbo tayo habang nag-video, no. Um, Unang-una po, no, hindi pa po tayo friends. So, wag po agad tatawag, no. Um, May tinatawag po tayong etiquette, no. I-practice po natin yon. So, makikita nyo po doon, no, ang 4 questions plus 1 sa QR code. Nandun po ang ating discounted price. May libre pang isa, so take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no, sa ating description box. Ngayon, kung hinahanap niyo po yung mga readings about exes, nandun naman po siya sa Facebook, no? Kasi may mga videos po na hindi po dito pinopost, nasa Facebook lang. So, kung hindi nyo naman siya mahanap dun sa question form, nandun po yung mga icons sa taas, no? Click nyo po yung icons and then mariroute po kayo doon sa ating ah, social media account. So, kunyari kung gusto nyong i-check yung TikTok, click nyo lang yung TikTok logo, no, dun kayo magdidiretso. Ayan. So, kung hindi naman po kayo nagmamadali at gusto nyo sumali sa ating raffle ng free reading, you might want to join the raffle by reporting those reporting those fake accounts, and then take a screenshot of it, and then send it to the designated email. Then pipili po tayo ng winner. Ayan. So namumugto ang mata natin kasi kulang tayo sa tulog, humahabol tayo sa date. This is your reading, Leo. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.